MarketReader allows you to understand why the market is moving in real time. The team. We are a group of professionals that have spent our entire careers dealing with the top institutional investors in the world. We now want to bring hedge fund quality tools directly to millions of users. I personally work for Goldman Sachs, Bridgewater Associates, Nomura Securities, and most recently in my first startup, Exante Data, where we've been serving the top macro investors in the world with high quality data strategy and macro strategy. The problem we're solving is one that we can illustrate with Fred, a financial advisor. He is seeing Silicon Valley Bank moving in his clients' portfolios, but he doesn't know why. He needs to know, is the volatility really unusual? Is it correlated with other assets? Has something specific happened on the calendar? It will take Fred way too long to find these answers through traditional means. What if Fred could ask why Silicon Valley Bank is moving and instantly receive simple, concise answers? The answer to the question, MarketReader could deliver already on Wednesday night when this whole banking turmoil started. MarketReader immediately detected that the unusual volatility in Silicon Valley Bank had to do with a failed equity offering and losses on its bond portfolio, way before the whole market started to move on it. Fred could have alerted his clients about Silicon Valley Bank before they heard about it elsewhere. He no longer has to watch every asset in his client portfolios because MarketReader is watching them for him. MarketReader also allows users like Fred to stay ahead using custom alerts for assets on his clients' watch lists. Essentially, Fred knows what is happening and why as it happens. MarketReader looks at the full picture of what's happening in the market. We have a very holistic approach to understanding price action, embedding news, social media, specific events on the calendar, and we use a high-frequency approach where we analyze volatility in a very precise way that allows us to draw causal inference. We really have a system here that is at par or better than the systems that are used by the most sophisticated investors and traders in the world. In addition to the high-frequency analysis, we can also use ChatGPT technology to summarize the content and the conclusions in the frequency that the user wants. It could be a daily summary, weekly summary. This technology really allows to present complex material in an easy-to-digest way, and it can be very powerful for that perspective. Our system is watching 11,000 financial instruments, and we analyze all those systems and all those instruments in parallel. And that allows us to draw very sophisticated and complex conclusions. But obviously, it is this data system that needs to be fast, and we've built it to allow this parallel processing. We have raised more than $4 million at this point. We have 10 employees, and our system is live. We're very excited to allow beta users in Q2, and we are going to launch for full-on end users in Q3, and we're expecting a Series A in Q4. In terms of clients, we can have both end user clients, could be from asset managers or financial advisors, and we would also like to have enterprise clients, and we certainly would like your introductions and connections in that regard. It could be either through brokerages, news organizations that would like to have the insights from MarketReader through an API. And finally, I would like to say thank you to the Fintech Sandbox. Their network of data providers can be extremely helpful for startup companies like ours. Thank you.
And understand what's occurring on that day.